slugs look like bullets, not the classic shuttlecock design of pellets. Many think they only work in high power. This is incorrect. They can be very stable, predictable, and accurate, even being sent at 700 feet per second or below. But only when a very particular set of criteria is met. You need to have a slug magazine, a tight tolerance breech, a barrel with shallow rifling and a suitable choke, or no choke, and a fast enough twist rate, and a binary valve to overcome the issue of lower energy at the muzzle, caused by more friction, bringing pellets and slugs to a similar power without adjustment. We have found a particular rifle that has all of these attributes. We liked it so much we bought 3 variants using our own money. All will be revealed in upcoming videos. For now, watch how we reach out to 117 yards. Obviously not for pest control. We do usually shoot rabbits and feed them to lynx, but to experiment, to learn, to enlighten. The distance is measured. 117 yards of open air. Between the muzzle and the white sphere rests nothing but space, a very slight wind, and the quiet laws that govern flight. The pink masked menace settles behind the rifle. The magazine is loaded. The breech closes with absolute precision. The shallow rifling waits. The binary valve holds its charge like a held breath. No drama is forced. The drama is already present in the physics themselves. The trigger breaks. A soft, almost reluctant report. The slug leaves the barrel not with violence, but with purpose. It does not roar. It simply glides. 117 yards later, the golf ball leaps. Not shattered, not destroyed, moved. Struck cleanly by a projectile most would claim has no business reaching that far at these energy levels. The ball tumbles. The slug has done exactly what the criteria promised it would do. Stable, predictable, accurate. This is not a claim of superiority. It is a demonstration of conditions met, of tolerances respected, of a platform that refuses to obey the usual limitations. 3 variants of the same rifle wait in the background, patient, identical in the essentials that matter. Their full story will come later. Today is only the distance. 117 yards. A golf ball. A 177 slug. Not for killing, for understanding.